Hey guys, I am so pumped for this video. I have the Beauty Box by Lancome. I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I'm familiar with the product since I've worked at Lancome and I know what the beauty boxes consist of, but I have not opened the box. I am so excited. This is the Happiness is Here Glow Collection by Lancome. This is the 2019 holiday box that you could get with a purchase of $39.50. You can get this box for $68. There's a reason for my backdrop because I wanted, oh, it's so big. I wanted this backdrop to match the pinkness that is this Lancome box. So I am here for it. I have this extra top for it. We are ready for the holidays. We are ready to see what this consists of. This is Meet the Star of the Season. The actual value of this box is $460. Of course, I am familiar with the products. I used to be a beauty advisor at Lancome, in case you do not know that. Once you open the box, it has the cosmetic bag, which is very glamorous and luxurious, very Lancome. I mean, every year they outdo themselves. So you pull it out. So the box is this size. It probably looks a little bigger on camera than it really is. Feels very luxurious for a cosmetic bag. And then you open it up. If you open it all the way up, you have products in both sections. I'm so excited about this. I will not go in any particular order, guys, but like I said, I am very familiar with these products. I actually used some of Lancome's products on my face today. I will break down the cost or the approximate cost of each product. There are 11 full-size products in this box. The first thing that I pulled out from the box is a dual-ended shadow and blush brush. This is about 40 something dollars. I know you're paying for the Lancome name, honestly, but it works. And this would be perfect to kind of apply even your highlight if you want to. The brush looks like this. It feels very luxurious on the skin. Dual-ended because you can apply your shadow with this side and then you can apply your blush. Like I said, I would probably apply my highlight with this because I just feel like it's kind of perfect for this. So this is the brush, and like I said, it's about $46. I could not find it on the website. The brushes range from about $40 and up. They're not very cheap. It depends. Don't quote me on the price, but that is about the price you pay for the normal dual-ended brushes. The next item you have is the Lancome Bi-Facil High Definition Mascara. This is like one of Lancome's very first mascaras, and it is in the color Black 01. It costs $27.50. You don't have to buy a mascara like this, guys. You can buy a mascara at the drugstore. From the drugstore, one of my favorite mascaras is L'Oreal Telescopic. So if you cannot afford a mascara like this, you will definitely find good options. Even e.l.f. Cosmetics make some decent mascaras, or definitely Wet n Wild has some great options. Milani, you can check any of those at the drugstore. This one is good for lengthening. When I worked at the beauty counter, a lot of the customers would buy this because they like the lengthening properties that it has. Personally, it is not my favorite because it doesn't volumize like I want it to. My natural lashes are very short, and so I want the volume as well as the length. So for me, the mascara that does this is the Hypnose Drama or one of the other Lancome mascaras. But this one is pretty good. This is old school, very popular. A lot of people like it. So this is the Bi-Facil and it is $27.50. This is the number 307 Pale Lip. I imagine it's the nude even without looking at it. When I open it up, it almost terrifies me because it is not very dark, but it is a true nude. And if I were to use this, I would use it with a darker lip liner and kind of blend everything together. I am wearing a Lancome lipstick today. The lipsticks are $24 each if you were to buy them individually. I feel like it's like Christmas, y'all. This is the sugared maple, very, very popular at Lancome, and it's the number 256. It is a sheen. This is what it looks like. I would have to swatch it to show you the shade, but it's like between a brown and an orange mix. It is pretty. I think it favors chocolate girls very much. It's not overpowering. It is not too intense. It is light on the lips. It feels good. I personally am not necessarily a Lancome lipstick girl. I personally prefer the skincare products from Lancome, and I will talk about that a little later with the other products from the box. But I use the lipsticks every now and then, like the one I'm wearing today. But I am not necessarily like, oh my gosh, you have to have this. But it is a pretty color, and you can also find cheap options at the drugstore. This one is expensive, y'all. This is the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum. This has 0.67 fluid ounces. It looks like this. You guys may have seen it. Lancome sells it. It's one of Lancome's staple products as well. This one is $52, and this is a small one. So the bigger they get, the more expensive they are. It's basically a serum, and I put it before I put my moisturizer. Very expensive, so you want to use it sparingly. I believe that it works because my skin feels amazing whenever I have it. I'm very happy that I got this because the other one that I have is almost done, and I wasn't planning on buying this full price. This is, like I said, one of the top 5 selling products of Lancome. People love it, they swear by it. I like it, I think it works. Again, this is 0.67 fluid ounces, so it's not even 1 fluid ounce, and it is $52. So this is the Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Eye Cream. Year is just French for eye. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. It is a sister to the serum, so you see they have the same aesthetic. They look the exact same way, but this is just a thicker eye cream, and this is a serum. So paired together, I think these work pretty well. You will have this for a long time because you do not need a lot. You just need a little bit. You go around the eye, you tap it around the eye. I put mine across the brow bone, to be honest, but I do love this. So the next product I have is from the box. We have the Lancome Seal Booster. This is a primer, so whichever Lancome mascara you use, you want to go in before that with a primer. It goes on white when you apply it, and you go directly after with whichever mascara you're using. So this one is $27.50 by itself. The next product is a Le Crayon Kohl. This is an eyeliner pencil in black ebony. These are very nice. Unfortunately, they're not retractable, so you do have to sharpen them up, but they register very well on the skin. I think this is great. The price is not great, obviously. It's $26. You can buy a cheaper one at the drugstore for less than $5. So I mean, it's all about personal choice. The Kohl liner is very nice. It goes on very well. I'm very excited to get this in the box because I have not had one. I have the brown one, which is pretty dark actually, but this one is good too. So I'm excited to have this. So you get 3 lipsticks in the beauty box. This one is the one, oh, this one is Red Stiletto. I do like this color. So now it is also a cream lipstick, so there is transfer, but it is such a true beautiful red. It is so vibrant. I mean, I love this red. So Red Stiletto is like a classic red. Love it. And this is also $24. This comes from the Color Design line. So all the Color Design lipsticks are $24 thereabout. They used to be a couple bucks cheaper though a couple of years ago whenever I worked there, but listen, I don't make the prices. I'm just the reporter. This is the Bi-Facil Double Action Makeup Remover, and it costs $30. This is 4.2 fluid ounces, and it is great to remove waterproof mascara, any type of makeup. You will love this. You do have to shake it because you have the water and the oil, so you have to mix it really well for you to get the most effective use out of it. But once you have that, you apply just enough on a cotton pad and you wipe away your makeup. But it is specifically for the eyes. They have one similar to this for the face, but this one removes eye makeup like a dream. Unless I have something extreme going on, this works perfectly. The very last item from the beauty box for 2019 is this amazing palette, which is beautiful. It's gorgeous. If you look at it, it has all these sparkles, very festive. I think it is done that way just for the holidays actually. So it is the eyeshadow and blush palette, and it's called the Glow because it's the darker one. I did not get a price on this, but majority of their palettes like this will cost about $50 and up. I'm pretty sure this is way more expensive. When you open it up, it has a very nice mirror. And then you go in the actual palette, which you can curl back like this. Now, these colors are very nice. So you have your dark shade, a nice shimmery shade, you have a gold shade, a rose gold shade, you have a lit color, which for me would be something else because it's very light. It's supposed to be a blush down here. This one would be way more black girl friendly. The other one, I would probably just use it as an eyeshadow. I do not anticipate that I would use this as a blush. I think it would look too ashy on me, but the colors on top are very pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. This nice chocolate one down here would pair nicely with the one next to it, the gold or the rose gold color, and then the green I'm excited about, as well as that black shade looks like it's very pigmented too. I will follow up with a one brand tutorial featuring Lancome products, and I will probably use it in that video. I do like how pretty that is. Anytime you're buying a Lancome palette, you are guaranteed to pay above $50. So this is pretty expensive. The cosmetic bag is very nice. You have a mirror in there. Okay, so the mirror is nice. You have two sections to put your products, and then of course the typical Lancome pink, because this pink is Lancome's color. So that was the 2019 beauty box, the holiday collection, if you will, by Lancome. I really think that it is a great value. If you're not trying to spend that type of money individually, $460, it is the perfect time of the year to make a purchase and then get the box for $68. I think it's a great value, and you get to try especially the skincare products, which are super expensive by themselves. So I fully recommend it. I love Lancome products. The shadows, as you can see in the inner corner of my eye, I use one of Lancome's palettes that I have, an old one, and this is what created this nice inner corner highlight. I endorse majority of their products. My least favorite products from them would be the lipsticks. I just don't care for them like that. But everything else gets a thumbs up from me. You guys know my number one perfume comes from Lancome. That is the La Vie est Belle. Life is Beautiful. All the ranges of Life is Beautiful. I love it. I don't think it will ever change because it's just my absolute fave. Thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I was very excited to do this in unboxing. So I really do hope that you enjoyed it. I'm very happy to interact with you guys below. I answer your questions quickly and I respond to as many as I possibly can. So thank you for watching. We are definitely in the holiday spirit. And then I will see you guys in my next video. And by the way, there will be a video on this look, so don't forget to check it out. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.